The domain is financial news retrieval. I am using the Reuters corpus financial new wire documents, the same corpus from homework 3. So the problem I was solving was identified in my homework 3 error analysis. So this is the query table. Query number 4, currency exchange rate dollar strength was the worst performing BM25 query. The reason is that the relevant Reuters articles describe dollar strengthening using phrases like greenback, firm, and dollar advanced, but BM25 can only match exact tokens, so it misses all of those documents. This project builds a system that fixes that. So the systems the systems has four retrieval methods, each building on a homework. First, text processing from homework 1 and homework 2, regex tokenization, lower casing, stop word removal. This preserves high IDF finance terms like derivatives and base 3 while removing noise words. Second, BM25 from homework 3. You can see the two configuration tables here. Default with K1 and B, and tuned with K1 equal to 1.2 and B 0.6. 3 line. Third, the dense retrieval from homework 4. We use all mini LM L6V2 to encode 8644 documents into 384 dimensional vectors L2 normalized, showed in a FAISS index, flat IP index. Similarity search, same metrics as a vector based model in homework 2. Fourth, the bonus technique from the homework 5, reciprocal rank fusion. So the formula is RRF score equals the sum of 1 over 60 plus rank across both retrieval system. This resolves the score scale problem. BM25 score ranges from 10 to 25, dense score from 0 to 1. RRF uses rank positions, so the scales doesn't matter. So live queries. So let me show the query interface. So first query, bank loan default credit risk method hybrid. Look at the top 5 results document. Physiotechnology in default, Wipcore Electronics in technical default, Kappa Corp in technical default. These are all directly relevant companies defaulting on bank loan. The hybrid system combines BM25 keyword precision with dense retrieval semantic reach to find DO 7776, which BM25 ranked lower because it uses technical defaults office loan rather than credit risk. Now the key demo query for the homework 3 problem query. First, BM25 only. Look at these results. Taiwan dollar foreign exchange and others. These were flagged in my homework 3 error analysis, keyword overlap, wrong intent. Now the same query with the hybrid RRF. See what's changed at rank 2. Miyazawa says exchange rates will stay stable. This is a finance minister discussing exchange stability directly relevant to the query intent. BM25 couldn't find it because the word strengthen doesn't appear in the article. Dense retrieval found in through semantic similarity, and at rank 5 dollar gains ground against yen and mark. This is literally describing dollar strengthening using completely different phrasing. This is the vocabulary gap fix that the homework 3 error analysis is called for. Segment 4 evaluation. Now the evaluation, I am using the same framework with homework 3. So the results are directly comparable. BM25 default P at 10 equal to 0.810, map 0.851. This is exactly matches my homework results. Confirming the pipeline is currently implemented. BM25 tuned dense retrieval alone, which is below BM25. This is because all mini LM L6 E2 wasn't fine tuned into 1980 retrospects. It struggles with domain abbreviations like dots and paths. So for query 4 at rank 2 BM25 picks dense picks the vocabulary gap documents means Jacquard similarity between BM25 and dense top results in 0.8. They find very different documents, which is exactly why RRF fusion adds on value. That's the full system.